Oh, greetings. This is kind of a new thing for me, so I guess we're gonna try it out and see how this goes. I've never done anything like this before. This is more of just like an audio test, I guess. Just to, see if I can adjust that. I don't know. I'm very curious to see if this is gonna end up being too loud. Back it up. So I'm gonna try out, this is very new for me, never done like a vlog style video. We're gonna try it out. We're gonna see how it goes. I don't know if the car is gonna be too loud. It probably is, but hopefully it won't be too obnoxious, and we'll be able to get some usable audio out of it. But this is the first test, I guess. We're gonna go to, I want to say it's Allen's Pond, but maybe not. I can't remember exactly what it's called, but I will pick it up again as we get a little bit closer. Oh, alright, we're a little bit further along now. I'm just going to test, because I don't know how loud this is going to be, or if I'm even still audible. But we're just going along down the highway now. We're at 53 miles an hour, 54. This is now it with the window closed. It's obviously going to be much more audible with the window closed. So I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that it's not going to be completely washed out. And even if it is, I guess it's not really the end of the world. This is again the Sony A6700, and it is sprinkling a little bit. It's a good thing I brought the rain jacket. But again, just testing the audio. Hopefully it's not too horrible. I'm curious to see how well this tripod does, because I have a feeling it's going to just be a bunch of noise of that thing getting battered around, which is going to be extremely annoying and very frustrating. But I guess we'll find out. I am curious. This is the car running. The air conditioning is on. It's probably making a funny noise. But we are now at Allen's Pond. It's actually very quiet now, which is quite nice. Very relaxing. So this is Allen's Pond Wildlife Sanctuary. We're going to give this a shot. We'll check in periodically, maybe. That was a successful day. on for about 2 hours, but I actually got a ton of really good, at least in my opinion, somewhat decent pictures of. I saw a whole bunch of blue jays, but the bastards evade me. I can't seem to get a good picture of them no matter what I do. They certainly try like hell, but they just don't cooperate for me. I did get quite a few pictures of, I believe, downy woodpeckers, so the ones with the little red thing on their head. And then I got this little golden thing. I only really got one good picture of it. But, I mean, he just kept, he was not afraid, or she, maybe, I don't know. Just not afraid at all. Just kept hopping closer and closer. I couldn't figure out why. It didn't seem like anything I did bothered it. They would just kind of, I don't know, they just kept hopping closer. I only got a couple good, really solid pictures. But now, it's time to head back home. Very curious to hear how this camera does with the sound of my car and me talking. It's a really foggy day today. It's unbelievably foggy. It was kind of raining in and on, like on and off, intermittently. There were a couple times where I was trying to desperately hide the camera. I just bought a brand new Sigma 150 to 600. It's their super telephoto. I want to say it's 5 to 6.3 at the tight end. I got some fantastic pictures, but because of the rain, I was, it's my first time out with it, so I'm trying to baby it. But the damn thing, of course, there's nowhere you can hide. I'm 2 miles out in the woods, and there's nowhere to hide from the rain, so I'm like hunched over it, like Smeagol, trying to protect his precious. But my precious is a new lens from Sigma, brand new Sigma. And now we get to do the fun part, which is just driving home. I'm very curious to see. I'm going to try to plug all this stuff in. Also, this first video probably only for you, Jess, so I hope you enjoy. Well, there's a whole bunch of turkeys over there, but I really do not feel like stopping, so I'm just going to keep driving. If I wasn't so tired, I would. Not really anywhere good to pull over here, though. It was a long shift last night. Good Lord. It just dragged on and on and on. There was just no end in sight. It's always kind of the shittiest, too, because you get to work, like I get to work around, 11, a little bit before 11, and then I get out at 7. The issue is sometimes you'll have a really busy night where it's just non-stop, everything, all night long. And then other times you'll just have kind of a dead night. You might get one call, nothing really comes of it, and it's, something stupid or benign, and it's not really that big of a deal. Cool little BMW just drove by. That's fantastic. Every now and then you'll get something crazy to happen. Makes the night fly by. But I mean, otherwise it's kind of boring. Sometimes there's really not a whole lot that happens. But I mean, I guess the good side of that is, it's a good chance to just kind of relax for a second, turn your brain off. I'm hoping that once I can get I have like an action cam. Well, Jess, you know about it. I'm hoping that once I can get that little action cam, I ordered a memory card for it. Stupid me, I figured it would come with one. Nope, I was wrong. Did not come with a memory card. The kit that I bought came with a selfie stick and 3 batteries, and I figured surely it would also include a memory card, but I did not read the fine print. There is no memory card, and I am left sad and terribly depressed because I have no memory card for Little Action Cam. But the good news is the memory card should be in the day, it might be in tomorrow actually. So if it comes in tomorrow, that'll be great because then I'll be able to try it out. I have that. I ordered a suction cup mount. I'm actually gonna stick. I don't actually know exactly where I'm gonna stick it just yet. I don't know if I'm gonna try to put it on the windshield, try to mount it somewhere on the windshield, or if I'm gonna try to mount it to a window. There's a part of me that really doesn't want to mount it to the side window because if for whatever reason I want to put that window down or I need to, I'm going to be kind of out of luck, which is not going to be good if, say, I get pulled over. That would not be good at all. But yeah, if I do stick the action cam on the window there, the issue I'm going to run into is, they're going to come over and tap on the glass, and I'm going to be like, ooh. Really not a whole lot I can do about that. Kind of unfortunate, but you know what? It is what it is. Because I feel like the window would be the ideal place to do it, as far as like an angle goes. But, alas. A little kerfuffle in the intersection there. But it's okay. He waited his turn. I got there first. I love the way this car sounds. Just so happy I bought it. Oh, little birds are out. Oh, geez. Oh my god. A lot of birds over there. Just eating. I'm guessing they're eating little worms out of people's driveways. Eating worms, man. But I'm just getting home now, so I'm gonna try to put this on the computer. Depending upon how it goes, I may or may not edit it, and then send it over to you, see what you think. But I will text you because I just realized while I was out on the trail I didn't have any service, so I didn't even see if you texted me or not. But now that I'm home, I will check. And if you have texted me, I will obviously respond. So, yeah, I think that's it. Bye.